Hello, good morning student. So, ang ituturo ko ngayon sa inyo ay kung papaano natin kunin yung mga unknown parts of the right triangle. For example, the unknown here for angle A and angle B. Then, we also have an unknown of letter C, which is the hypotenuse, or the hypotenuse, which is the longest side of the right triangle. Hello, good morning student. So, ang ituturo ko ngayon sa inyo ay kung papaano natin kunin yung mga unknown parts of the right triangle. For example, the unknown here for angle A and angle B. Then, we also have an unknown of letter C, which is the hypotenuse, or the hypotenuse, which is the longest side of the right triangle. So when we say hypotenuse, that is always the longest side of the triangle. So ngayon ay ituturo ko sa inyo kung papaano kunin yung mga unknown parts dyan sa right triangle. So we have our given here. So this is a right triangle, and we know if we are given right triangle, one of the interior angle there is already set to be 90 degrees. So therefore, if you observe our image here, so we have here a box which indicated that this is already 90 degrees. So therefore, we can write immediately to the number of angles here as 90 degrees. Then we will find the angle A, which is unknown, and angle B, also unknown. So, ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon kung papaano kunin yung unknown angle of the right triangle. Okay, let's start with, ang una natin kukunin is the unknown of the angle A. So, ito yung muna ang gagamitin, ang kukunin natin. So, what we're going to do is simply use SOHCAHTOA. So yun ang pinakamadaling paraan para ma-solve natin yung interior angle. So what do we mean by SOHCAHTOA? So SOHCAHTOA is SOHCAHTOA. Okay, so when we say so, it means that sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. The next, for ka, we have cosine theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Then for tua, that is tangent theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. Okay, so paano natin siya gagamitin yung SOHCAHTOA? So if we begin here with angle A, so ang magiging if we are going to solve for the interior angle for A, so titingnan natin yung SOHCAHTOA kung ano yung applicable. Okay, let's try first with SO. So, this is sine opposite over hypotenuse. So, let's check. So, for angle A, we have opposite, which is 3, and hypotenuse is unknown. So, there are two unknowns, so we cannot apply sine, because our focus here is to get the value of the interior angle of A. Since there is two unknown, so we cannot use so. The next for ka, so which is cosine is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay, let's check. For cosine A, we have adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay, there are also two unknown here, so that is why we cannot use ka, which is cosine is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So therefore, we are very sure to use TOA, which is opposite or tangent is equal to opposite over adjacent. So magkakaroon na siya ngayon siguro ng one unknown. So let's try use tangent. Okay, tangent theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. Okay, let's check to the figure if opposite and adjacent has a given. Okay, so from tangent A, tangent theta of A is equal to opposite. So the opposite of angle A is 3 meters. So we have 3 meters over. So adjacent. So pag sinabing adjacent, yung katabi ng angle, kung saan ka angle kukuha. So since we have pointing angle A, so the adjacent of angle A is here. So this is 36 meters. So we cannot use C, it's because it's already known as the hypotenuse. And from the given SOHCAHTOA, we have indicated here the hypotenuse. Okay, so let's apply the solution for this. So this will be tangent theta of A. So we have to divide 3 divided by 36, and the answer for this one is 0.083. So I will put a bar at the top of 3 because 3 is a repeated number. So we can use only this number. So 0.083. Okay, how to be able to change this one into angle form? So we have to reciprocal the tangent theta. So therefore, it will become A is equal to, since angle theta here is positive, so we change that one into negative. So this will become tangent theta negative or negative. Then we have 0.083. That is tangent theta. So the value, if we are going to use the calculator, make it sure that you press the shift, or it is being indicated that the tangent should have the negative sign. Okay, so if we are going to press this one, this number 0.083 into tangent negative theta or tangent theta negative, this will, the result for this is equal to 4, that is 4.74 something. So I'm only get 2 decimal places. So therefore the angle for angle A is equal to 4.74 degrees. Okay, I hope that you follow the procedure on how to get the interior angle of the right triangle. Okay, this time we have now the value of angle A, interior angle A of 4.74. Okay, so my chalk is wet, so therefore we will pause first a break. I'm going to find a chalk for my discussion. Okay guys, I'm back. So nakakita na ako ng chalk, which is a very cute chalk. So therefore, we are going to continue our discussion. So since we have already the value of anterior angle A, which is equal to 4.74 degrees. So we can easily find the interior angle at angle B. So what we're going to do, here is to sum and subtract 180, because all in all, the total angle of the right triangle is equivalent to 180 degrees. So what we're going to do is to subtract the given interior angle, and the result for that is the remaining angle of the unknown angle here. So kung wala pang angle yon, so yung result is para doon sa other angle. So we have here, so since this is 90 degrees, so we will add the 2, so that is one total angle is equal to 180 degrees plus, or this is minus, since we are going to subtract, since we only have 2 given, so that we will be able to get the answer for angle B. So 180 minus 90 degrees, so this is in degrees term, so plus 4.74. Okay, so first you are going to add this one so that we can easily subtract 180 to 180 degrees. So this is 180 degrees is equal to, or subtracted to, 94.74 degrees. Okay, we subtract this one, 180 minus 94.74, the result for that is for angle B. Okay, did you get? So we have to subtract this one first. Okay guys, I'm back. So the result for our angle, for our interior angle for B is equal to 85.26. So we subtracted 94.74 to 180 degrees. So therefore the difference is 85.26, and that will be the interior angle of angle B, which is 85.26 degrees. Okay, since we are going to get also the value of C, which is C is equal to the percentage based on the given problem. So what we're going to do is to use what? So we can also use SOHCAHTOA. Okay guys, I'm back. So I solved already the unknown letter C, or the hypotenuse, because I don't have here the calculator. So I manually solved for this one, and the result for this using also the SOHCAHTOA. So to find the value of C here, which is unknown from our problem, the given triangle. So to get this one, we are going to use also SOHCAHTOA, which you can select SO or Ka, which SO is opposite. This is opposite over hypotenuse, or Ka, which is adjacent over hypotenuse. So I already prepared here a solution for that one. So there is a discrepancy on the decimal places. but I'm very sure that this solution is correct. So therefore, my solution for the percentage or the length of the hypotenuse is, so I use the two, sine and cosine. So we have for sine, so we are referring here at angle A. So therefore we use 4.74 degree. So to solve for the side of the longest side of the triangle, which is hypotenuse, so I'm using sine first. So sine 4.74 is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, which is 3 over unknown, which is C. So we cross multiply this one, so therefore sine 4.74 put on the other side, and letter C also went to the other side. Therefore, we will divide now 3 divided by sine of 4.74 is equal to 36.30 meters. So for cosine, we have cosine of 4.74 is equal to 36, which is adjacent. Ang adjacent natin for angle is 36. Then ka, which is adjacent over hypotenuse. So our hypotenuse here is letter C, which is unknown. And therefore, we also apply cross multiplication. Therefore, the result for this is equal, C is equal to 36 over cosine of 4.74 is equal to 36.12 meters. So kung inyo pong mapapansin, nagkaroon po siya ng a little bit discrepancy on the decimal places. But it depends on the instructor who will check your output. If he or she based on your solution, I am very sure that this will be a correct solution or correct way in solving the different unknown for the right triangle. So kung nagustuhan nyo guys ang aking discussion, sana po ay i-follow nyo ang aking channel at i-share po sa ibang mga estudyante, sa mga parents na gustong matuto. And I always been uploaded videos, different videos every week. So I am preparing videos and I uploaded always videos on my video every week. So hope you guys you will check the description below para po ay ma-follow nyo po ako sa aking YouTube channel. And I hope guys na magkakasama po tayo, laging panoorin ang aking video. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Sana po ay may natutunan po kayo sa aking tutorial on how to solve the unknown parts of the right triangle. God bless and see you guys soon.